Now, I'm sure you've heard about the website StumbleUpon, which is a social media website that enables you to stumble, which is basically store your favorite web content. So a lot of people use StumbleUpon, to actually store websites they like, and then they'll be shown other types of content that actually relates to that. So other content that StumbleUpon believes that person will like based on their existing stumbles. So it's a very intelligent platform, and one that a lot of people use just to pass time and read the type of content that they're into. Now, what I'm going to talk to you about now is the advertising network of StumbleUpon, because it's pretty sophisticated and it's also low cost to start up. So basically you can have full page ads, as you can see, and ads work on all devices. So as you can see, you can distribute your content, which is articles, videos, slideshows, whatever you want, as an advertisement. So here are some examples. So there are millions of users, so you can target the specific users that you want. So it's really, really simple. And here I'm going to give you the tour quickly. As long as you have a URL for your content, that's all you require, the content that you want to share. You choose your audience using their targeting, which can be based on location, age, gender, etc. And of course, StumbleUpon itself is based a lot on targeting interests, so it's likely to be very, very accurate for that. You're in complete control of your budget, so there's no minimum spend at all, and you can start and stop at any time. So there's no way you can go broke by trial and error with StumbleUpon ads. And if you want, you can have your visitors start to arrive within just a few minutes. If more people engage with your content, you'll also receive free visitors, as you can see from this graphic here. And you have obviously optimization, reporting, etc. Now, as you can see from the pricing plans, they have some plans specifically for large companies, but the pay-as-you-go service is perfect for a small company or an individual. So it's definitely a platform that's worth checking out. You can start with a very small budget, and you can trial video ads, you can trial content ads, whatever you want to do. So definitely check this platform out, and you're going to receive some free visitors as well.